Welcome back to Amethyst Adventures, and welcome to the Home Decor Luxe Club's Vlogtober collab. Every Saturday this month, our design squad will be bringing you decorating inspiration for fall in our Fall Vibes closed collab. We'll be showcasing decor ideas, DIYs, tablescapes, cooking, the whole lifestyle to help you get ready for fall. So tune in every Saturday and see what the Home Decor Luxe Club can do. At the end of the fall, I am going to take this mop and put it right back into its place here. And it will come back again next year. These little seeds did not fare well. But all is not lost, because we're just going to simply reuse the dirt in here to replant our mops. Okay, just going to add a little bit more soil in here. And those hopefully will fill a little bit during the fall season. So my wife made the comment that a lot of times I do a little sweep up and clean up before I actually start recording the YouTube video. So I just wanted you to take a look at this walkway before. Take a look at my rose bush that some bug has taken a liking to, and I'm not very happy about that. Okay, take a look at this summer front porch. Okay, let me point out, yeah, the cobwebs are here. Yeah, and it's not cute. It is filthy. There has been so much rain, and yeah, my dog, and you see where I moved the planters, that was the lovely green color that I originally purchased the rug, and my dog has pretty much destroyed that. There are cobwebs everywhere. Okay, so I am going to dismantle what's left of this summer porch, and I am going to start doing my fall porch. Okay, so stay tuned. And I hope you are seeing how this is melting away the dirt. Okay, here on the chair, I've placed the items that I'm going to use for my front porch decorating. So let's get to it. This rug I got from the Christmas tree store, and it was $14.99. And I like the green this summer, so I chose to keep that green theme going for the fall. I'm gonna come in with these planters with my mums. And I also got at the at-home store, and I believe they were $5.99. Then I was looking for a throw. Couldn't find one. They did have this table runner, which I can reuse at another time, but I bought it for the color. And also, these were from, I believe, the at-home store on clearance, of course, because she don't pay retail for nobody. And I'm going to place this little table right back for our wreath. I have this beautiful decorated grapevine wreath that I've had for some time. Don't even remember where I got it. And then I had this other wreath, which I'm going to place here on our little table. Now this hunter green blanket was a thrift find, $3.99. I'm going to use this over the arm of our rocker. Okay, I think that looks good. I'm hoping that those mums will perk back up, but so far so good. So let me bring you in for a closer look. I just wanted to show you my mums standing tall this morning. See all the buds. So I think the shock is over for the most part and they're gonna be okay. So I just wanted to update you on that. See all the beautiful buds coming up. And I did use some sticks to kind of stand them up, but they are looking great this morning. So that's it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope that it gives you inspiration to start your fall decorating. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.